Hi guys, got a set of 6 little Lego clone type kits. I've done 4 of them sitting in the car. I've got 2 more to go, and then when you've done all 6 you can join them together and make that big, looks like an aeroplane. So we've done 1, 2, 3, 4, got 5 and 6 left to do. This one's 5. Each one has 2 options as to how you build them, A and B. So I'll do both of them anyway. I just want to get these last 2 done, and then we can look at building the big one. Right, we have instructions A, and then B starts there and goes around the back, and then C is where the parts from this kit fit into the bigger kit. Let's go a little bit closer. I don't suppose it'd make any difference, but that's the wrong colour piece there. Can't get them apart now. And see, now it's supposed to be that grey one there. So we'll try and keep it as per instructions. Right, that one goes. There. Okay, that's the basic truck. And there we go. Version A. Ooh. Right, take it apart again and do version B. Okay. I don't see much difference here at the moment. That's it. Well, that wasn't much different to the first one, was it? Slightly different. That's got a closed bed, I suppose we could call it, and that one's got an open bed. And that really is the only difference. Open bed, closed bed. Okay. Job done. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.